Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through HTML image maps. With HTML image maps you can create clickable areas on an image. And here we have a simple HTML template, and let me add an image to our website with image tag, and I have an image here. Let me show you this image. What you can do, you can let your users click on this area of image and redirect to different page, or on this sofa. Let's say if you're making an e-commerce website, so you can make your users, or you can let your users to redirect to the sofa pages if they click on this image, or in this part of this image, or if they click on this part of this image. So you can let your users to redirect to some other page. Let's go back to our source file, and I'm gonna just right click on this image and copy relative path and paste it in here. Hit save, and now let's open this page in the web browser. There you go. Let me resize it and keep them side by side. So now I don't have any clickable areas on this image. Now you'll need an attribute here, use map, and type in here the ID of the image map. I'll show you that in a second. Let's say name it wall. Hit save, and you don't see any change in here. Now I'm gonna add a map tag here, and in this attribute the value of this name attribute is this wall. Now within this map opening and closing tag, I'm gonna call in here area tag. Let's save. Alright, so let's add a couple of pages here where you would like to redirect your users to. Let's make home decors .html, and you would like to make this sofa clickable as well. Let's make another page, sofa.html, and let's make this walls clickable. We'll also need a page, vase.html, and let's add basic HTML template here by type ht and select this second option. Let's save. Let me maximize it for now, and let's give a heading here, h1. Let's type in here by sofa. Hit save, and I'm gonna give a heading to this vase page as well. Let's type in here by vase. Let's save, and yes, home decors. For home decors, type in here ht, and I'll also give it a heading of by home decors. Hit save. Now let's check these pages, how it looks. This is the home decors page, and let's see sofa. And this is sofa looks like. And let's see walls page as well. And here we have walls page. So now let's go back to our index.html and go to our index.html page. It was making confusion. Let's open it again and keep it right here. Alright, so now let's work on this object first. In this area tag, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 1, 2, 3. These three attributes are the most important. You can define shape. Let's say if you have a rectangular shape or circular shape or any shape. So we have got options. Let's address this object first, and it looks like a circle. So I'm gonna type in here circle, circle, and here we have a coordinates. Now, and for coordinates you will need a couple of values, the center and the radius, and you can get these values from any image editor. I have already calculated these values. The center of this circle is, the x value is 299, comma, the y value is 129, comma, in the radius, the area from center to the end of this circle is 95. Hit save. Now you see the hand here. It suggests that this image is now clickable. After adding these coordinates, you need to add the link where you want your users to go to. So I'm gonna copy the link of this home decors, right click on it and copy relative path and just paste it in here. Hit save. Let's see if it works. Yes, it takes you to the buy home decors. Let's go back to our page, and now I'm gonna get another area. Now it looks like a rectangular, so just type in here rect, and the coordinates we need here from this point to this point, the x and y values from here and the x and y values from here. That covers the whole object. So I have already calculated these values, and the values are 88, the x is 88, y is 266 on this point, and on this extreme I have x value 341 and the y value is 680. Let's save, and now the sofa area is clickable. Now I'm gonna add a link here of sofa.html. Just right click here and copy this relative path and paste it in here. Let's save, and now let's check. If I click on this sofa, it takes me to the buy sofa. Let's go back to our index page, and now I'm gonna add a link to this vase as well, and type in here area tag, and the coordinates from this point to this point, and my coordinates are 381x, and y to this point is 224, and the x to this point is 485, and the y is 342. Let's save and check if it's working. Sorry, let's cut it from here and paste it in coordinates and type in here correct. Let's save. Now it's working, and I'm gonna give a link here to this walls page. Just right click here and copy this relative path and paste it in here. Hit save, and now if I click on this badge, it takes me to the buy walls page. One extra tip for you is if you need to learn about JavaScript or gaming, so this should be the starting point. You can also set JavaScript on these objects and make an event happen. And if you need to learn more about JavaScript, you can watch my video and find the links in the description below. Happy coding, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.